Good afternoon, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Student meteorologist here with your update. Typhoon Megi, 18.4 north, 117.2 east, maximum sustained winds of 125 miles an hour, wind gusts of 155, moving north a little faster on 9 miles an hour. This is a Category 3 system in the United States. And this is moving towards the north this time at 9 miles an hour. So we're looking at a Friday to Saturday landfall, and probably north of Hong Kong, but you got to keep an eye on that at this time. Here's Megi again. Here's Philippines, and see Megi here. Huge eye. We're thinking this is probably going to create eye wall replacement cycle at this time, thus those weakening of the winds a little bit. And it is, like I said, moving to the north at this time. And landfall will be right around that area, which is going to be north of the Hong Kong area, but we have to really, like I said, keep an eye on this. We also have the upper level winds coming across here, China, so this will start interacting with some shear, and which will also weaken the system. Probably will be a Category 3 or 2 at landfall sometime on Friday. Here we go again with our Invest 99, which may become richer. It's looking a little better, but I'll show you in the satellite. It's a little displaced off the center of circulation. But you can see these computer models, a lot of them are pushing them south and into the west. But you got the GFDL and you got the HWRF now starting to get the solution that it's going up into the Gulf of Mexico. But if it does that, it's pretty much considering itself suicide, because it's going to run into a ton of shear when it gets to the north. It's a badly sheared environment. The further north it goes, the worse off it is. Here's Invest 99, and you can clearly see, here's the center of circulation here. There's the clouds. You can see the only real thunderstorm development is far to the east and up to the north of the system. Like I said, this is going to be hard to continue. You need to get some storms blowing up around the center of circulation here. Because you would think the storm was way over here if you looked at the satellite without the visible image, and we're not able to see this center of circulation clearly. So, do I think it may become a depression? They're going to flying into it as we speak, but like I say, it's a lot of thunderstorms displaced from the center. We'll see what happens. We actually have another system here. It's north of Guam. It's a tropical cyclone, and it's moving to the west-northwest at 12 knots. So you can see, here's Guam right here. And here's the center of circulation on this system. Here's a satellite image. Pretty good looking system here. As I said, Guam is down a little further south here, but like I said, that's pretty nice circulation there for this tropical cyclone. Here's our severe weather outlook we got today. As you can see, we have a slight risk here in New Mexico and western Texas, and we have an area out here with the upper level low sitting here in California that may pump in some isolated severe here in the area of Arizona. Tornado probability today, most likely going to be down there in the Texas, New Mexico area. Hail. Also in the same area, you have possibility all the way back to California though, and wind, same area. Davison risk factor, 75% wind, 50% hail, 15% tornadoes for today. And we got the area here for a slight risk tomorrow, just a little bit further to the east. Hail, high winds, isolated tornadoes also, and you also have a slight risk area, an isolated area up here in the northeast. Boston included in this area, New York City for an isolated severe thunderstorm. Davison risk factor, 80% wind, 55% hail, 15% on tornadoes for a day on Thursday. And central Midwest, Oklahoma City down to Dallas, chance of severe thunderstorms, high winds, hail, and tornadoes also possibly here. Davison risk factor, 90% wind, 70% hail, 25% on tornadoes for the day on Friday. A little bit better setup for a chance of tornadic activity to happen. But something we got to keep an eye on here with severe weather here, and we will at liveweatherblogs.com throughout the day. So We have megi, we have possibly Richard developing, and we have severe weather to watch over the next few days here at liveweatherblocks.com. So, anyways, stay with us here, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day, and I'll be back with the overnight outlook or a severe weather update, whatever comes first. Dean Davison, liveweatherblocks.com. Have a great day.